A car accident occurred between a truck that was traveling from Johannesburg to Durban and a minibus that was traveling from Durban to Johannesburg. This accident has claimed a total of 17 lives, with only one survivor who's just an innocent little girl. Investigators have realized that, among other things, speeding could be the potential cause for this accident. Apparently, the Quantum, or rather the minibus, lost its control as it swerved towards the other lane facing oncoming traffic, and there it collided head on with a truck. The truck driver was the only occupant in the truck and he survived.
Absolute chaos
The
here on
weather
Van
was
Reenens
bad
path.
as well, as it was
Very
dark
bad,
and
very,
it was
very, very bad
misty and it
actually.
was raining.